Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, we'll walk you through the steps to reset the Linksys RE6400 Wi-Fi range extender to its factory settings. Whether you're facing connectivity problems or preparing for a fresh setup, this reset process is quick and easy. Let's begin. Resetting the Linksys RE6400 Wi-Fi range extender is essential to fix connectivity problems, clear out incorrect settings, or when preparing the device for a new network. This process restores the extender to its factory default settings, resolving many common issues. Start by locating the small reset button on your Linksys RE6400 Wi-Fi range extender. It's typically positioned either on the side or the bottom of the device. Make sure you have a paperclip or pin ready to press the button. Now, using a paperclip or pin, press and hold the reset button for about 10 to 15 seconds. When the LED light begins to blink, release the button. This signals that the reset process has begun. The extender will now reboot, which may take a minute or two. During this time, the settings will return to factory defaults, erasing any previous configuration. After the reset process finishes, the LED light will turn solid, signaling that your Linksys RE6400 extender has successfully returned to its factory settings. It's now ready for a fresh setup and can be reconfigured from the beginning. After resetting, you'll need to repeat the setup process from the beginning. Start by connecting to the extender's default Wi-Fi network, typically named Linksys Extender. Once connected, you can proceed with the configuration using the setup interface. Open your web browser and enter the address http://extender.linksys.com into the address bar to access the setup page. This will guide you through the reconfiguration process, allowing you to set up your extender with your network settings. If you have any questions or need assistance, our expert team is ready to help. Don't hesitate to reach out at 323-471-3045 for support and guidance. Feel free to drop a comment below with any inquiries. And that's it. You've successfully reset your Linksys RE6400 Wi-Fi range extender. If this video helped you, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.